Good evening, friends. I hope you had a good trade today. If you had gone through our YouTube video yesterday, we had clearly mentioned that if you open this and see, we very clearly mentioned a short covering rally. This was, if you see the heading, we mentioned gap down, Bank Nifty short covering rally, and the Nifty a strong up move we can see. This was the view for 28th. So, in fact, the same thing happened if you see Nifty Dow open gap down at 18,368. This is the spot, of course. Immediately within the first 5 minutes, there was a big up move. Anybody who thought the market will go down and shorted would definitely be stuck here. There was a strong rally right till up to 2 o'clock. And then a bit of a small down move or a retracement. When it came to Bank Nifty, let me open another chart. When it came to Bank Nifty, it was stuck in this range for a pretty long time. It was very range boundish, right up to around 1145, and then we saw some rally up to 43,160, which I think is definitely uh, another lifetime high. We had shared this 42,900 CE, 375 target of 425. I think this was done in the opening itself. Sorry, not in the opening. This definitely. Um, Anyways, so what are we expecting for tomorrow? Are we expecting another up move, or are we expecting the Nifty to move down? If we look at the option chain, Nifty has a definitely has very strong uh, put writer at 18,500, which is like a strong support, and call writers or thou are holding their positions at 18,600, which is the lifetime high, and there is of course a huge call writer at 19,000. So the range we can possibly expect is 18,500 to up to 18,800 or 19,000 also. However, this is not the way we should be trading. uh, we have to be, whenever we take a position, for example, we went long only in Nifty. We never took longs in Bank Nifty until I think around uh, 11 o'clock or so. Let me see. Where was our, in the opening in the morning itself around 7:45 we told index chances of a big up move, and I think we took this 18,400 which made 250 or so. We also took one position in escorts which hit our stop loss, and the big trade which we could capture in was Reliance 2600, which hit 150 almost from 88 to 150. Uh, we also took persistent, uh, which made small profit, of course. I think our Bank Nifty, yes, around 1145, we took the 42,800 at 350, which definitely hit 450, 490 almost, or almost hit the target, second target. So this is how we need to be trading. We need to have wait patiently, wait for the right setup, and definitely take the trades. So for tomorrow, what I am expecting is there will definitely market is going to retest. It may move up to 18 480 levels and possibly uh, a small up move. When I say small, it could be really small up to 18 uh, 580 levels or so, and then there is a possibility of market to move down up to 800 and 18 400 levels also. So this is the view. Of course, this is not a trading call. For me tomorrow, as I mentioned, I would definitely expect market to take a strong support at 18,500 levels. However, still the option chain data is not the ultimate. We it did keeps changing every minute, every second as per the operators. However, we shall look at the trend, we shall look at volumes, we shall look at the price action. If I look at the charts, primarily I expect um, Nifty to probably test up to 18,450 levels. If this price also is if price moves below this, the next target I'm expecting close to 18,340 or somewhere close to 18,400 or so. On the upside, if Nifty is able to sustain above 18,520, 550, then our first target would definitely be the lifetime high of 18,600, 15, 620, 630 levels. Above this, we can definitely expect 18,650 to hit tomorrow. So if you want to get calls, please do join our Telegram channel. The name of our channel is ChatSpeak. So if you go to Telegram and type ChatSpeak, you should be getting our channel, which is also named as JSM Trading Signals. This link I would also be sharing here on our live stream right now. So we do share our views time to time on this. This is totally free of cost. Of course, please do subscribe to our channel, Telegram channel. The link also I would be sharing. Uh, when it comes to Bank Nifty, as per the option chain, there is again a good strong called put writer at 43,000, and which is where the market has currently closed. Tomorrow there is a possibility that, as I mentioned, Nifty could come down and then move up and retrace back downwards as per the option chain data and charts. Bank Nifty, on the other hand, there is a possibility it could test 42,860 levels. So for me, I would possibly look to go short in Bank Nifty below 43,000, and any price, if price sustains above these levels, then I expect price to move up to 43 200, and the next target would be 43 300 and 300 280 or so. This range of 83.50 above, I am expecting the bulls to be holding the market. Below this, there could be a shorts who could take control of the market also. Also, I want to bring the attention to our friends. A lot of people I know were expecting IT to move up. Uh, However, most of the longs what are definitely trapped. What I can see is Nifty even IT even if it tends to move up, it may not be able to cross this 30,600. It may again retrace back up to 29,600 or so. This trend line support has been broken. There is a chance even if price sustains up, it may retrace back down. So be very cautious on your longs on any IT, especially the FNOs. Equity, I wouldn't, or I don't see any cause of a concern when it comes to equity stocks. So we have a question from Alia Patwekar. Any views for Indus Tower and Wipro for tomorrow? So always I tell my friends that please be very specific on your questions. Is this question for equity or F&O? And if it is in equity, is it short term or long term? Anyways, which I would be sharing my view for equity. If you are looking at F&O, I need to know what strike price, and if there is any position, please do let me know. Hi, Mr. Anshul. I'm fine. How are you doing, sir? So let's look at Indus Towers. Indus Towers, I think we have missed a rally here. We should have possibly took longs at this price of 196. I think the first target of 200 is hit. The next possible target I see is 208 or so. However, at this price, there is a possibility that Indus Tower may retrace to 200 levels, 119.5 to 200, and then move upwards. And if you're looking for a long-term perspective, I think the stock needs to breach 200 if I would think of a long-term perspective. What I also see is the pattern. One good thing here I see is there's a good support at 184 which is taken, and price has tried to sustain above. As I mentioned, I see a retracement here again down. It may test to 198. So I do not really see any entries in FNO as of now. Yes, on equity front, you could definitely start adding right from tomorrow. My first target would be somewhere close to 208, and the next target would be close to 216. As I mentioned, I again reiterate, I do not see any kind of entry in terms of FNO. Wipro is definitely a good stock to buy. A couple of my friends added this at 390, I think, in the last week or so. Uh, this stock is always good to add. Uh, and what I can see in the couple of maybe in the month of Jan Feb, we should be able to see close to 425. However, again, as I mentioned, IT, there is a retest which could happen or retracement. So this stock also possibly I can see this coming back to 396 levels and then a strong up move. Aliaji, what I would suggest is please do join our services either in Telegram. If there is a good trade setup in F&O, I would definitely share. I do not see any uh, position in F&O as of at in this scenario. So I hope this adds in for you. If you are willing to take positions either in Wipro or Industrial Tower in F&O, especially in options, you need to have some equity positions, and then probably you could look to write either call or put based on the analysis. In this tower, I would possibly look to go for a call once the price of 205 is taken and price starts obtaining, moving upwards and with good volumes. So I hope this would be helpful for you, Alaji. And uh, let's look at uh, the other indices. Yesterday I was mentioning that uh, Nifty metals could be on focus. Let's look at in detail. Uh, Metal, I think index is trying to take support at 6,360. Uh, I do not see any strong up moves at the moment. However, this could definitely hit 6,600 or to 620 in the couple of days after some bit of a consolidation or accumulation at these levels. Stocks to be watched are Jindal Steel and Power, which is currently looking to head towards 480, 480 levels or so. Uh, if the price sustains above 500, then I would expect to go long. And if this, however, as the charts and the pattern looks at, I'm expecting this to move down towards 490 or so. Uh, Adil Saab, yes, I will definitely look into Adani Port. Give me one moment. Adani Port. Adani Port, I think I had mentioned in my previous videos. I am expecting this another uh, shorts coming in. So, as best as possible, if you are if the price moves somewhere close to your uh, cost, I would suggest you to exit this because I can see that there is still a down move coming up to 860 to 850 levels as I see at the moment. Though price has been trying to sustain above 870, uh, I'm still not very convinced on this to move up to 920 in the coming days. May take some time. Could you also let me know what is the entry price on the Adani uh, 920 call, Mr. Adilji, so that I could share probably the stop loss? Let's look at Nifty 50 stocks. I think Hindalco has gone 2% down. Hero Motocorp seems to be slowly up, moving up. As per I see, there is still a nice up move coming in this stock in the coming days. We may see 2,880 in a couple of weeks' time from now. Reliance gave a very strong move, which took the market up. So positionally, I think this stock should rally up to 2,900 levels, hopefully, in the coming days, if price sustains 2,700 and above. IOC is moving definitely very strong. State Bank of India is trying to give a positive up move towards 610 levels or so. Let's hope this sustains above 610 and then possibly we can see 614, 618 levels or so. So Adani 920. As per the option chain, also I think there is a strong call writers at 900. So your entry price is 24. Okay, one moment. Currently at 19 levels. Let me. think the stop loss stories should have been 18 to 20. Currently, it is at 18, and I think hopefully when you if it sustains about 20, I would suggest you to keep a stop loss at these levels of 18, 20, and whenever price moves only about 24, 25, then we can expect this to move above as per the stock market charts and the option chain data. So, if you like our views and if you are able to, if our channel has been helpful, please do share your likes and also please do subscribe. And thank you all for your time. Good luck for tomorrow and God bless you all.